Now we solve some maths using the fundamental concepts of lines and angles. Okay, here a figure is given and they have said using that figure first we have to find the angle of x and y and then prove that if L and M are parallel lines, then AB and CD are also parallel lines. So it is given that L and M are parallel and T is a traversal. Okay. So first we have to find the angle of x and y. For that logic, if this is 130 degree, okay, y also be 130 degree because they both are vertically opposite angles, right? So first we write angle C Q and let give it a name. Okay, let give it a name like x. Z. CQZ equal to 130 degree. Now angle y equal to angle CQZ equal to 130 degree. Logic is vertically opposite angles. Right? Now we find therefore the value of y equal to 130 degree. Now we have to find the value of x. Now from the picture we get that if L and M are parallel to each other, T is a transversal, then x and y both are interior angle and the relation between them is their alternate interior angle. And from the last video we learned that alternate interior angles are equal with each other. Then if L parallel M, T is the transversal, angle x equal to angle y equal to 130 degree because they are alternate interior angles. So angle x equal to 130 degree. So the first part of the question is completed. Angle y is 130 degree, angle x is 130 degree. Now we proceed for the second part, that we have to prove that AB parallel to CD. Now there is a logic that if a traversal passes through two lines in such a way that the consecutive interior angles are supplement with each other, that means the sum of the consecutive interior angles are 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel. So using that we will prove AB parallel to CD. If we think A, B and CD are two lines where T cut it through both of them, then if we prove the two consecutive interior angles, that means this angle and this angle, or this angle and this angle, sum is 180 degree, then AB will be parallel to CD. Okay, so for proving that, first we have to find this angle. Okay, now if L parallel to M and T is the transversal, then this angle and this angle are corresponding angles and we know the value of the corresponding angles are equal. So we can write, give it a name W. Angle CQW equal to angle or CQP, let it give it a name P. Angle APW equal to 50 degree because corresponding angles, right? Okay, angle CQP equal to 50 degree. Now these two are consecutive interior angles, right? So we find the sum of these two angles and check it whether they are supplementary or not. Okay, now angle APQ plus angle CPQ equal to angle APQ means angle x, previously find that is 130 degree, that gives us a value 180 degree. So angles are supplementary with each other, right? Both the angles are supplementary each other. Now according to the theorem, if a traversal passes through two lines and the consecutive interior angles sum is 180 degree, then the two lines are parallel. So it is proved that therefore AB parallel to CD. Proved.